off, I want you to write your prediction down. Write your prediction down. Who do you think will be the first? Who do you think will be the second? Who do you think will be the third? And why? On your worksheet, predict. Who would be the first, second, and third to detect the explosion? Explain your thinking. Explain is a big part. Okay? So, yep. What? So, is it going to be the person who sees the explosion, the person who hears the explosion, or the person who feels the explosion? Okay? So, which one is going to be first, second, and last? So get your prediction down, and then we're going to discuss it as a class. Make sure you're explaining your thinking. Come on, explain it. Explain it. What? Try to do as much as you can. Doesn't have to be a real huge explanation. You're just making your guess. You're making your, what's another word for prediction in the scientific method? Educated guess, which is called a hypothesis. Good. So you are making your hypothesis of what you think is going to happen. One of the first steps of our scientific method. Yep. The scientific method rap, I believe, did you listen to that? No, we did. Maybe we'll listen to that. Alright guys, so let's bring it back together. If you're still writing, that's okay, keep writing, but we're going to start discussing. So, yes? It's just a little bit here, okay. Alright, so, okay, so what do we think? I want some silent raised hands to tell me the order that you think the people will detect the explosion. We have a person who is looking to see it. We have a person who is listening to hear it. And a person who is waiting to feel it. Okay, what do we think?
I think the one that detects vibration is going to be first, and then the one that sees is going to be second, and the sound will be last.
Okay, so we have vibration, so feel, then see, then hear. Why do you say that?
Because, I don't know if this is good.
Go for it, shoot.
But like, when a gun shoots, the bullet, I'm just saying, the bullet flies and then you hear the sound.
Okay, so, what you're saying is,
What is it? Explosion. It's still a weapon.
alright, so, go ahead, what do you think?
She hear do it and then hear it and then see it.
Okay, so feel, hear, and then see. Why? Come on, explain your reasoning.
Because
Explain your reasoning.
when you feel, because as soon as they explode, they're going to feel the vibration automatically, and then you're going to hear it right afterwards. Because you know how like whenever a bomb drops, you feel the vibration, or whenever an earthquake happens, you feel the vibration, and then you hear like buildings falling, and then you actually can see the ground shaking right after.
Okay, okay. So listen.
Feel, hear,
Feel, hear, see. Okay?
because sound waves travel faster, so they're going to feel the sound waves first.
Okay. Sound waves travel faster than what?
Than the hearing, than the light waves.
Okay, so sound travels faster than light. Okay.
And then they're going to hear it because,
Go for it.
and then you're going to hear it because you usually hear before you see.
Okay.
You see it. And then you're going to see it because it's the last one.
Okay, so I heard Jalissa say you usually hear before you see. Okay, and then I heard somebody over here kind of go, wait, what? Why did I hear that? Wait, what?
Because light waves travel faster than sound waves.
Why do you say that?
Because right now, that's probably going a million miles per hour, and while he's talking, it takes like a century for him to get sound waves.
A century. Wow. All right, so you're trying to make up your measurements here. What is something that we see, that I saw yesterday and heard yesterday, that can help us figure out whether sound or light travels faster? Okay. Okay, so you see the jet fly by, right? And then you hear the sound. Okay? So, does anybody else have another order that they think the people are going to be in? Blake, can you hold on until we're done? Okay. Sierra, gentlemen. Feel, see, hear. Why that order? Why did you put see before hear? Okay, so once again, light is moving faster than sound. Does anybody have another example of where we might see one moving faster than the other? Lightning. Tell me about lightning.
If you're outside and you start bringing it, and then you hear lightning before you see it. And now you see lightning before you.
Okay, so you see the lightning before you hear it. So you see lightning way off in the distance, real quick, and then a couple seconds later you might hear the thunder. Okay, so now going over that, I want you to take 30 seconds. If you think your hypothesis is correct, great, keep it. If you don't think it's correct, you heard something that from another one of your classmates that kind of made you go, like an aha moment that made you go, ah, I want you to go back and correct or change your hypothesis a little bit, okay? If you think it's fine, keep it. Great, okay? We're going to spend about a minute to do that. Revise your hypothesis if you feel the need to. Yes? Yes, you may go. Okay, well, you guys can still keep revising. So, what we are going to do is we're not going to finish up that video just yet. We are going to do our experiment, and then we are going to go back, look at our hypotheses, and then